Alright, so this is a basic demo of how to use Oviss ProX mobile app. So first you tap the icon to open up the app. The app will open up. If you already have a location set up in there, it'll open up to the last number of cameras that you left it on. To start, you go tap the menu button here. And then you've got the menu screen that shows you the different options. You've got live view, remote playback, devices if when you want to add devices, and then so on and so forth, along with configuration there. First, you go when you're adding a new device, you go to devices. I've already got some added in here, but you would press the plus sign on this side and press manual adding, and you would type in all of this information, alias, whatever you want to call your device, generally the name of the location. Register mode will stay to IP/domain. Address is your .ovis cloud address that is provided by tech support when the system is first set up. Then the port numbers would be 8000, then your username and password, and channel number would auto-populate once you save the settings by hitting the save button. For this purpose, I won't go ahead and enter in any information. I'll just continue to show you the information I have entered in here. So I've got all of this in here, which is exactly what we would enter otherwise, and then press start live view. That'll once you're done entering in all the information, start live view will take you to the cameras. And in the live view mode, you've got a few options. First one is down here, 1, 4, 9, and 16. That's different tiles you can have to display different number of cameras. We'll go ahead and hit the forward channel. Now you can see 4 cameras all together, and they'll load up. And then we've got 9, and then further we've got 16 channel. You're able to double click on any one of these cameras and enlarge an image that you would want enlarged. You're able to double click again to go back to the original view that you were at. And then again, once you do double click a camera, you're able to swipe right to go to the next camera, or swipe left to go to the other camera. And then you are able to do the same thing with while you're in 4-channel mode or the 9-channel mode. Again, double click to enlarge the camera, and you're able to swipe right to go to different cameras. You've got additional options over here at the very bottom. You're able to press the clear image quality button, which allows you to, by pressing clear, view full 1080p resolution. Fluent is optimized for motion but not picture quality. Or you can choose custom, which would allow you to choose image quality and or motion over image quality. So for our purpose, we'll go ahead and press clear. And if you notice, the image would show you the full 1080p image quality now. You're also able to turn the phone sideways to get a full screen view of a camera. Then you got the zoom button here that I just pressed right now, which you're able to do the pinch function to zoom in and zoom out on a particular area that you want to. Then you're able to move the screen by with a single drag motion to view different areas. And then again, you're able to double tap to zoom in as well, and double tap to zoom out. Now to move to another camera, you've got to deselect the zoom button. Now you're able to swipe to the next camera, swipe to the additional other cameras, or view the 16-channel mode here to view all cameras, 9-channel mode or 4-channel mode, whatever you would like. Finally, at the very bottom, you also see the camera icon. So you can um, select a channel that you want to take a snapshot of, and you hit the snapshot icon to capture that image. You're also able to select a camera and hit the record icon, the video camera icon, which is right next to the camera icon, to start recording video of that time right onto your phone. And you're able to also press it one more time for it to stop recording the video. And the way you access that function, the recorded video, is not in your iPhone or your iOS device's picture settings, but you go to the menu and you see where it says picture and video. And over here, it'll save anything you've recorded or pictures of snapshots that you have taken using this device. And then double click to view the image that you took a snapshot of. Again, you're able to zoom in, zoom out with the pinch motion, and you're able to hit the trash icon to confirm delete if you want to delete it. You're also able to go ahead and email it or send a message to a colleague, whoever you may want to view that video. All right, and to go back, hit the back icon on the very top. Again, here's a video that we have. Hit the play icon to start playing the video that you recorded previously. You're able to pause if you want to, and then hit play again, and then go back to the picture video menu. And then now to go back to your live view, hit the menu one more time and hit live view. That'll take you back to the live view. Now we'll quickly go ahead and go over the remote playback function. So to do that, you again go to the menu, hit the remote playback function. Over here, you're able to select a channel that you want to watch the recording of. So you want to pick the from and the to time. So you want to select the time for this purpose. We'll go ahead and let's say select today. And let's select 8 o'clock in the morning, and then now let's go ahead and select 2. So let's select from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, which is right about now. And then you tap anywhere on the blank white screen to go back, and we want to view the recording of this device or this location. And let's say we want to view the recording of the drive-through camera. So here we are now viewing the recording of the drive-through camera between the times we had selected originally. Now you see at the very bottom there's a blue bar with the timeline. You're able to drag this timeline to the right or the left to pick the correct time that you want to view the recording of, and it'll take you there. You're also able to again go sideways, flip your device sideways to view full screen mode. You have the ability to further hit the time X button to fast forward the recording all the way up to 64 times, and then again you've got the back button to slow down the recording. You can slow it down to 1/16 of the speed, and you're able to pause. You're able to again do the full 1080p or the custom, whichever you wanted to optimize the image quality or the emotion over. And then again, you also have the option to hit the zoom button to zoom in recorded video as well, so you can clearly see the transactions or the image and see what's going on. You can do that while the video is also playing. You don't have to pause it to zoom in, just like that. All right, and if you see something here, again, you're able to take a snapshot of that event. You're able to also do a snippet where you're able to cut out a particular recording while you're watching and back it up on your device to be emailed to someone, or to save for a later use, especially if you see a robbery or some sort of theft that you want to record. All right, that's a quick overview of how to use the remote playback function. Um, and then again, we already went over devices. Configuration we'll go over because we have the help tab here. If you need to learn how to use any other functions on the app, you would go to this section. You've got your frequently asked questions that helps you answer any questions you may have, and you've got other sections that acts like a user guide to show you how to work those functionalities. All right, that's all for today.